Hey guys, Andrew King here from ReviewSkingdom.com. Welcome to my VidRactor review. I'm here inside the members area and today I'm going to give you a full demo and run through on what this is now works. But before we do that, what is VidRactor in a nutshell? So VidRactor is a brand new cloud-based software that will allow you to embed interactive elements on your videos to boost engagement and get more clicks. So if you are interested, then definitely stick with me during this review. I'm going to show you how the software works in just a minute. But before we do that, there's going to be a link down below that will redirect you to my website, which will look something like this. Now, inside my website, there's going to be everything you need to know about VidRactor, the pricing upsell details, as well as the discounts and coupons that you can use to secure the best price possible. And you can find out more information about my VIP bonuses that I'm willing to offer if you decided to grab VidRactor through me. But other than that, let's jump inside the members area and let's see how the software works. Now, a quick note, a PPS, if you will, I haven't used the software at all. So this is going to be 100% honest and sincere review. If I like something, I'm going to tell you that I like it. If I don't, I don't. So anyways, we are on the dashboard of the VidRactor software and we have a couple of information that they display on the dashboard, such as the number of campaigns, the number of quizzes. Of course, you can create quizzes right from inside the software and embed them into your videos. The number of clicks that we got on our interactive elements that we embedded on the videos, the number of leads that we collected, because you can also add an element so you can collect leads right from the videos, and the number of views that we got on our videos. So all of this information is going to be available at the dashboard. Now let's just go ahead and click on campaigns and let's go and create our first campaign. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to click on the button right here to create the first campaign. And then what's going to ask me to do is basically put a campaign title. So for example, I'm going to go with Andrew test number 1. And then it's going to ask me for the campaign type, whether you want an embed video, a video sales letter, or a link CS. So I'm going to go ahead and choose embed so I can embed this video on my own website. And then you have to choose the video source and add the video to get started. So you can add the video from YouTube. If you click on YouTube, you integrate your YouTube channel and you upload the video, or you just put the URL of the YouTube video right here, and it will go ahead and import the video for you. You can also import it from Vimeo and Wistia. You can also as well choose a self-hosted video and embed the link right here. So you click on the link, or you paste the link, you paste the link, and it will go ahead and import the video for you. You can click on custom and upload it from your own laptop, or you can click on stock videos and you can search up free libraries. They have Pixabay and Pixels integrated right here, so you can go ahead and search up royalty-free videos and you can use those. So this is what I'm going to use right now. I'm going to choose the stock videos, and then I'm going to go ahead and go to Pixels and type in my keyword right here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to type in money, and then I'm going to click on the search bar, and it will go ahead and pull up videos about money that we can use right here. So you can click on the icon, the right icon, which is the preview icon, or you can click on the left icon, which is the select. So I'm going to preview this video first, and if I like it, I'm going to use it. So this is the video right here. Let me just play it for you. Sorry, I have a bit of slow internet, but anyways, this is the video right here. Okay, it's taking a bit of time to load. Anyways, I like this video because I already used this video in my YouTube channels, so I know that this is a very good video. I'm just gonna go ahead and select it. You can take your time and search up videos. You can preview them, and then once you find a video that you like, you can click on select to select the video. You can also upload the video from any other source. You can go with YouTube and upload your own YouTube videos, and so on and so forth. You basically get the idea. Now we have to choose an animation. So here we have the animation type. It could be a bouncing animation, it could be a pulse. You can take your time and choose whichever animation you want. So what I want is I basically want a bounce, a bounce up. Okay, bounce in and up, and it shows you a preview right here on the right hand side. So if I click on another one, you can see it shows me the preview of what I chose. So this one also looks good. A swing looks very good. So I'm just gonna go ahead and choose a swing, and then we are gonna click on continue. So once we click on continue, it's gonna take us to the video editor, and here is where the magic happens. So here we'll be able to basically add our elements to the video so we can make it more interactive and get more clicks. Now you don't have to worry about hosting the video because they will host it for you. You can also embed it on your own website or wherever you want, basically. So as you can see, this is their own built-in editor. We have a couple of elements that we can add to the video. You can drag and drop to go around the timeline. I'm just gonna click on close timeline, and then you can see here they have a couple of options, such as we have the play button, we have the go back button, the or the speed up button, and we have the volume that we can play around. You can also preview the video in full size. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to click on text, and as you can see, a text will appear on the video. I can double click on it and it will show me the text settings right here, and I can basically play around with the text settings. So here where it says enter text, I can type in the text that will show up on the video. So for example, get access to this page here. Okay, so what I'm gonna do right now is I'm gonna make this a little bigger. I can also click on the status. I'm not sure what this is. I'm just gonna leave it off. The status, the custom link. So we can add a custom link to this text right here, as you can see. So if people click on the text, they will be redirected wherever we want. So we can put the button link right here. So let's just say I want to redirect them to Google, so google.com. So when they click on my text, they're going to be redirected automatically to Google. I can also make them jump to a specific part. So I can enter the second. So when they click on the text, they will be automatically taken to that specific moment in this video. And I can also add another video. So I can type in the video title, I can choose the platform, and I can input the URL. And once people click on my text, they will be redirected to that specific video. I can also play around with the style of the text, so I can change the font. So for example, they have a bunch of fonts added right here. You can search up right here. So for example, I like Montserrat. I'm just gonna click on Montserrat and it will automatically change the text to Montserrat. You can change the font size. You can make the text bold. You can change the color, and you can basically play around with this as much as you like. Now this is regarding the text feature. You can also add images. So if I click on image, I can upload my own image. You can add your own watermark using this one. You can also use free resources such as Pixabay or Pixel. So you just import a keyword and you can use royalty free images. So you don't have to go to Pixabay. You can do it right from inside the VidRactor software. You can also add a button. So this is very cool. So you can add a button at any given moment. So let's just say, let me just drag this to 3 seconds, about 3 seconds, and let me add the button right here. And as you can see, I can basically link the button wherever I want. I can input the button text right here. So get access or buy now. Let's just buy now here or click here to buy. So let me just do this. This is the first time of me using the software, so I apologize if this doesn't look very good, but I'm giving you a sincere review. I'm just trying to show you how to use the software. So I haven't prepared anything, I'm just being spontaneous, so bear with me here. So click to buy now. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna resize this button and I'm gonna make it in the middle, and I can also change this text right here, and I can go back to content and take advantage of this deal. Click here to buy. I can also input an image. So if I go here and let me just go ahead and type in a logo, and let's just choose a random logo or a random image. Let me just go with any random image that I can add. So I just show you. So as you can see, I just added this image. I can resize it if I want to, and as you can see, you can go ahead and play around with this because they give you full customization. But anyways, you can see it's very easy to actually use these elements, to actually add them and play around with them, because the software was built for newbies, because this software can be used by literally anyone. Even if you're not tech savvy, you can still build these interactive videos for your own business or your own personal use. Now we can also add opt-in forms, as you can see here. So if I click on opt-in form, you can see that I can add an opt-in form right here. Now you have to integrate your autoresponder first in order for you to be able to collect these leads. So let me just make this one a little bit smaller. How do I do that? So it doesn't get smaller than this because this is an opt-in form. So it has to be kind of a medium size. Now you can see right here on the left menu, you can see that I can add a heading. So this is going to be my call to action. So I can tell them learn, or I can say learn how to make 1K per day easily. And input, I'm gonna say input your email address below for access, for free access. Okay, now we also have the field, so I can enable or disable the email, the name field. The email field is going to be required because we are collecting leads, and we have the button label right here, so I can type in get instant access. Okay, now here you can integrate your own autoresponder. So we have a bunch of built-in autoresponders, such as or a bunch of integrated autoresponders such as Email Octopus, SenderX, Drip, Benchmark, Sendinblue, MailVio, Sendio, MailChimp, Constant Contact, Aweber, SendLane, or you can add your own default autoresponder, and then you just click on connect the list and it will be automatically updated. So when someone signs up right from the video, you get the lead, which is very cool in my opinion. Now you can add other elements such as a countdown timer. So here you can make you can get scarcity. You can go ahead and choose a specific date, and that date is when the timer will expire. So for example, let me just find the New York time. Okay, so let's just say this will expire at the 18th at 9 a.m. for example. So now it will go ahead and show different, it will go ahead and show this specific timer. You can make it an evergreen timer if you want to. So we have a standard and we have an evergreen. You can change the style of it, so you can change the background color. You can play around with all of these elements right here, which is very, very cool. So you can change the digit color, you can change the digit box as well as the labels, and you can basically change everything in here. You can also change the text, so even this text that appears, the days, the hours, the minutes, and the seconds, you can change the text right here and you can type in whatever you want, which I think is pretty cool because they are giving you full control, so you can play around with this as much as you like. We also have hotspots, so you can add hotspots. If someone clicks somewhere, it will go ahead and trigger a certain action, such as a link. So for example, if someone clicks on the top left corner somewhere, they will automatically go and visit a specific link. You can add an overlay. You can add an action which is jump to video, which will send them directly to a specific video, or which will not send them to a specific video, but send them to a specific moment in that in this specific video. So you can send them to, let's just say, minute number 2. You just type in 120 seconds, and if they click somewhere, let's just say they click here, you choose the interactive spot as here. Once they click here, they will be automatically taken to that specific moment in this video, which I think is very, very cool. So you can add interactive spots. You can add your own watermark. So here you can upload a specific logo and it will show up as a watermark on your video. So if you are a freelancer and you want to show a portfolio, you can add your own watermark so you don't get your video stolen. You can also, let me just click on undo. You can also add a social share button so people can automatically share this on specific platforms. So you can choose right here the platforms, and you can make them very visible, as you can see, so people can click on these buttons and they will automatically share these. You can also add a close button so people can actually close this specific pop-up, and so on and so forth. So you basically get the idea. You get to add a bunch of different elements right here to your video, and you can make it very, very interactive, and you can engage your users right from your video. So you can sell something just like I'm doing right now. I can sell you a VidRactor, and I can add elements on this specific video, on the specific YouTube video that you are watching right now. I can add a button where you can go ahead and click on it to buy, or that will redirect you to a VidRactor so you can go ahead and buy it, which I think is very, very cool because you can basically engage your users, and it's a lot fun to watch, and you will increase your chances of getting a sale. So you don't have to add multiple actions. You can add everything to your video and make it more interactive and get more clicks and more sales to your business, which is quite frankly very good. So let me just remove everything right here so I can show you the rest of the elements, because obviously we have way too many things going on right now. So let me just remove everything. Okay, here we go. Here we are. So I have cleaned up everything because it was a bit messy. Now let's explore the rest of the features. So we have CTAs. You can add call to actions, and as you can see, video pause on CTA. You can turn this on if you want to. So this is going to be our CTA. So you can type in a heading, a subheading, and the button text right here, as well as the button link. You can also add the autoresponder if you want to collect leads, and it's basically a call to action. So you can basically modify this. You can also change the background and everything else like the other elements. The next one is going to be a video, so you can add a video on top of your video, which is kind of, I don't know why you would add a video on top of your video, but they give you the option to do that. So you can add a video on top of your video. You can stop the video on layer. You can turn this on if you want to. You can add a close button so people can actually close this secondary video. You can turn that on or leave it off, and you can choose the video type. So you can choose a video from YouTube, from Vimeo, or a stock video from either Pixabay or Pixels. So this is what the video element is all about. The next one is going to be the quizzes. So you can add different quizzes on top of your video. Now they give you the option to stop the video on layer appearance. So as soon as the question appears, the video will automatically stop. So you can mention something about the quiz, and then the quiz pops up and the video will automatically pause. As soon as it does that, you can choose to turn that on or not. You can add a close button so people can close the quiz. You can basically change this from a quiz into an incentive. So this can go both ways. You can either create a quiz or an incentive, which is very, very good. So an incentive is basically a quiz where they have to actually or an incentive is basically a reward. So they have to actually take the quiz in order for them to earn a certain reward, which is very, very good. And you can basically add your answers, questions right here. So you can type in your question, you can add different answers, you can add more answers. You can show the success message, so you can type in your success message, your error message. You can add a button, which is the reward button. So as soon as they complete the quiz, there's going to be a button that they can click on, and you can redirect them wherever you want. You basically get the idea. So it's basically an interactive Q&A element, an interactive Q&A element added on your video. The next one is going to be an HTML code, and here you can paste in your own specific element. So you can get the HTML code and paste it right here, and it will automatically appear on your video. And the last one is going to be the product. So you can add a different product. So on your video, you can mention something about your product or service, and then you can basically add this element so people can go ahead and buy your product right from within the video. So you can basically input the product name, the product description, the price, the currency. So you can also choose the currency as well. You can put the return link. So this is going to be the thank you page once people buy. You can choose the payment method, and you can choose the payment receiver. Of course, you have to previously integrate your specific payment method. So you cannot just add this, you have to connect it first. So you can click here and open it in a new tab and integrate your PayPal or Stripe. Same thing goes for your autoresponder. So you have to previously integrate your autoresponder. It's very easy. You just click your autoresponder, you type in your ID and your secret ID, and then you click on connect, and it will be automatically added to the VidRactor software. So this is basically all the elements that you can add to your VidRactor videos. And you can also go and click on funnel flow to check out basically the whole funnel. So you can basically redirect people once they watch this video. You can take them to another video, and so on and so forth. So you can create a funnel flow right from within the VidRactor software. Now once you're done, you can preview your final video. So if you click on preview, it will show you a preview of the final video, and once you play, you'll be able to see everything. And You can also save it, or you can click on continue and export it. So if you save it, it's going to be automatically saved right inside the dashboard. It's not going to be exported. If you want to export it, you just click on continue, and then it will take you to the export option. So you can publish it. I previously chose the campaign type as embed. So now it's asking me if I want to show it in a pop-up or within a page. I'm just gonna choose within a page. If you want to choose within a pop-up, you can choose the pop-up type. It could be an exit intent, a sticky pop-up, or a default pop-up, as well as the pop-up appearance. So I'm just going to choose show within a page, and then I'm going to click on publish, and it's going to be automatically published. Now what I can do is I can embed my campaign. I just click on the embed option right here, and it will give me the embed code that I can basically add to my videos, which is very, very cool, because now I can embed this code on my website, and the video will automatically show up. So it gives me other options such as preview. So if I click on preview, I can preview my options, or I can preview my campaign. If you click on edit, you can edit it, you can clone it, you can embed it like I previously mentioned, and you can delete it as well. So it's a very, very, very simple software that allows you to create interactive videos. Now let's go and check out, or before we do that, you can view analytics right here. So if you go to the analytics section, they give you campaign analytics, they give you lead analytics, quiz analytics, and sales analytics. So the sales analytics are for the product embeds. Like you saw, you can embed product elements, and it will show you all the sales that happened right here. It will show you the order number, the currency, the amount, and all the information that you need to know about the sales. You can also add your own custom domain. You'll be able to preview your media assets. You can get your bonuses, and that's basically it. That's what you get access to with the VidRactor software. Now let's go and check out the pricing and upsell details. Now everything I just showed you is going to be available at the front end version, which is going to be at $37 or $47. So let's just go ahead and check it out. So if you click on the first purple button, it will automatically take you to the front end, and let's check out the pricing very, very quickly. So let me just go ahead and click on the buy button. And as you can see, they have two options. We have the personal option at $37, and we have the commercial option at $39. So the main difference, I believe, is you don't get the limited time bonuses, the commercial license, and the make a passive monthly income. I'm not sure what this is, and that's basically it. So the main difference, if you want access to these, you just have to pay $2 extra, and I think they are worth it because they give you the commercial license, so you can serve your clients and sell these videos. So you don't just get the personal, you get the commercial, which is very, very handy for just $2 extra. So I highly recommend you to go with the commercial. Now this is regarding the front end. If you don't want to go ahead and grab the front end and go through the entire funnel, you can consider grabbing the bundle, which is basically the whole entire funnel at a 62% discount, which is what I recommend you to do, because VidRactor is a very, very good software. So if you want to grab the bundle, you just click on the pink button instead of the purple, and you'll be redirected to the actual bundle sales page. So this is going to be the bundle sales page. You can use this coupon code to get $50 off. So you can get it for just $247, and you get access to the full funnel from the front end up to the upsell number 4. So the entire funnel is going to be available at $247, and I highly recommend you to take them up on this deal, because it's an absolute no-brainer. You get 62% off rather than going and grabbing the front end in each and every upsell individually and paying 62% more. You can get it for a heavily discounted price and for just $297. Plus, you can use the coupon code to get $50 off and get it for just $247. This is an absolute no-brainer, guys. I highly advise you to do that. But if you don't want to do that, if you want to go through the funnel, you can grab the front end, and once you do that, you're going to be redirected to the upsell number 1, which is the pro version, which is going to cost you an extra $97 one-time payment. Now the upsell number 1 comes in with unlimited campaigns. So rather than having a limited amount of campaigns, you get unlimited campaigns. You get to create sticky pop-ups of interactive videos, the exit intent pop-ups. So these are features only available with the pro version. You get to add your own watermark, and you can upload your own video or use the 3 million searchable stock videos. So the stock video option is actually included in the pro version. So if you want access to that, you're gonna have to upgrade your purchase or just grab the bundle, because that's included in the bundle as well. Option number 2 is going to be the Page Ninja at $67 one-time payment, and you get to generate a VSL page with your interactive video project. 20 done for you templates. You get new templates each and every month. You get a link seize, which will allow you to hijack any web page. You get to host your own custom domain by linking domains with our system or add-in scripts on blank HTML pages. So if you want access to Page Ninja, you're gonna have to pay $67 one-time payment for it. Option number 3 is going to be the media asset at $47 one-time payment, and you get over 50,000 downloadable HD and 4K videos, PowerPoint presentations, green screen videos, 1,000 motion background videos, and more. So you get all of these for just $47 one-time payment. Option number 4 is going to be the agency version, and there is 2 different payment options. They have the $197 version and they have the $297. So it depends on how many accounts you want, and you basically get the agency license, which will allow you to basically sell VidRactor accounts. So you get either 50 accounts for $197, you get to resell 50 accounts, or you get to resell 200 accounts for $297. So you get to choose whichever you want, whichever one you want. And just a heads up, if you are planning to grab this upsell, don't, because it costs $297. And for that price, you can grab the bundle, which will not only give you the upsell number 4, but each and every other upsell plus the front end. So the bundle is well worth it, and the bundle is same price as the upsell number 4. So it's an absolute no-brainer, and this is only available during the launch week. So I highly advise you to take them up on this deal if you want the maximum amount of value for your money. Plus with the agency version, you get all of these features such as 24/7 support membership. So you don't have to handle support. They'll do everything for you. All you have to do is create or get clients and create their accounts for them. You can even charge them monthly. So let's just say you go with the 50 accounts plan for $197, which I think you shouldn't do that, because again, for $297 or $247, because you are going to be using the coupon code, you'll be able to get it for $247. For $247, you get access to the full funnel, including the agency. So let's just say you get the 200, because with the 247, you get the 200 VidRactor accounts. So if you get the 200 accounts and you sell them at $5 per month, so you charge people $5 per month to access the VidRactor software, which is very, very cheap considering the power of the software. So if you get 200 clients at $5, that's going to be $1,000. Now it's not going to be that easy to get 200 clients, but once you do, you'll have $1,000 in recurring revenue. It's going to be monthly recurring revenue that's going to earn you an extra 12K per month. Now with 12K or 12K per year. Now with 12K per year, you can go on vacation, you can pay your bills, you can do whatever you want with that money, and you just get all of this value with just $247, which again I think is an absolute no-brainer. Now this was my full VidRactor review. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to leave them down below in the comments. I'll see you guys in the next video. Take care.